Today we will explore the fascinating composition of blood through dynamic visualizations. We will examine the cellular components, plasma contents, and the vital role each element plays in maintaining our health. Blood consists of two main components, plasma, which is the liquid portion, and formed elements, which include various types of cells. Plasma makes up about 55% of blood volume and contains proteins, gases, and other dissolved substances. Plasma contains several important components. Antibodies, also called immunoglobulins, are protective proteins produced by lymphoid cells. Various gases including oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen are transported through plasma, with oxygen and carbon dioxide primarily carried by hemoglobin in red blood cells. There are three main types of blood cells. Erythrocytes, or red blood cells, transport oxygen. Leukocytes, or white blood cells, provide immune defense. Thrombocytes, or platelets, are essential for blood clotting. All blood cells originate from stem cells called hemocytoblasts in a process called hemopoiesis that occurs in red bone marrow. Let us examine erythrocytes in detail. These are circular biconcave, non-nucleated discs with a diameter of about 7 microns. Important measurements include erythrocyte count, which is 4.5 to 6.5 million cells per microliter, and hemoglobin concentration, which is 13 to 18 grams per deciliter in males and 11.5 to 16.5 in females. Additional important parameters include hematocrit or packed cell volume, which measures the volume of red cells in blood, normally 0.4 to 0.5 liters per liter. Mean corpuscular volume represents the average cell size, while mean corpuscular hemoglobin concentration indicates the hemoglobin content in red cells. Red blood cells have a lifespan of about 120 days and develop through erythropoiesis over 7 days in red bone marrow. In summary, blood is a complex fluid with plasma containing antibodies and gases, and formed elements including erythrocytes for oxygen transport, leukocytes for immunity, and thrombocytes for clotting. All blood cells develop from stem cells in red bone marrow through hemopoiesis, with red blood cells having specific measurements that are crucial for assessing health.